Hey, what's up guys, WRG here with another video, and today I think I have one of the best AKs on the market. This is the Arsenal SAM7SF. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So the Arsenal SAM7SF, this is a Bulgarian made receiver and sent in and fixed up by Arsenal, which is a company here in the United States. Let's check it out. This is, of course, 7.62 by 39, and as you can see here, it's very nice. Pass it through. You can see the side folding stock, which is one of its better features. It also has an ambidextrous safety that you could easily engage. Might take a little breaking in, but you could certainly do it with one hand, which is really nice without having to be on the right side ready to go as usual. So that's a pretty nice feature. Now, a little information about it. It used to cost $3,500, this rifle, and that was when it was US made, and then they started importing from Bulgaria, and they were able to drop down the price to an MSRP of now I believe $1,450, and I had picked this one up for like 12 and some change if I'm not mistaken. So pretty cool. You have the optics rail on the left hand side, which you guys can see. Pretty nice. What else I could tell you about it? The stock is NATO length, which is nice. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but a lot of AKs actually have much shorter stocks, and it's pretty interesting the reason why they do that. It's pretty much because of, you know, in Russia and all these areas, it's like very cold. They wear these like very thick jackets, and obviously if you have a very long stock, it projects the rifle out like a lot further, so you need a shorter stock. But obviously, if you're in tropical weather, you don't have such a thick jacket. You know, you want a normal length stock in order to hold your rifle. So that's pretty cool that they're able to do that. It's much more applicable for here in the United States. Let's see what else I could tell you guys about it. It is chrome lined. It has a Steyr barrel, and I'll show you guys what it comes with. So it does come with this little 10-round magazine, but I believe, I'm not 100% sure if this was mine or not, but I'm pretty sure it comes with this, and it's just a PMag AK. Now this is one of the original gens. They do have newer ones with steel feed lips, but I've tried this one out and it does work pretty good. Again, guys, this gun I've only had for a bit amount of time, and I've put around 10 rounds through it or something. I just literally like shot it once just to test it out, and I want to come back and do an unboxing for you guys. Show you what else it comes with. So you guys can see here, it comes with a sling, oil bottle, some tools, cleaning kit, like 2-part rod, looks like, and some type of manual. But that's pretty much it, guys. This is the Arsenal SAM7SF. I'm really excited to test it out and do a full review on it. So guys, look out for that. If you guys like these videos, please like, share, subscribe. WRG out.